Well, good morning, YouTube fan. So I'm going up to Lake Davao, do some trout fishing today. It should be picking up. The weather changing, the water temperature drop. I think it's about like some area about 60, some area the shallow water probably like drop around like 50 some. Anyway, the trout should be turned on anytime right now, and I go find out today. Striped bass boiling kind of slowed down right now. I think the water temperatures drop. You know, they're more like a warmer water. So yeah, I'm gonna go out there and do some trout fishing, and today, and like I say, you know, I will let you guys know how I'm doing today, and stay tuned. All right, I find a little spot to do some trout fishing today, and see how it goes. Stay tuned. Fish on. Yes. Yes, sir. Look at that thing, huh? Nice fish. It's about 10-pounder. Yes. All right, YouTube fan. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's kind of short. Try to go out there and, you know, looking for some monster trout. So I guess I'm pretty lucky. I caught one. It's about close to 10 pounds, but not quite. But again, these trouts have been in the water for a while. You know, you got a full grown, beautiful color. The meat's like a salmon. It's amazing. It's crazy. Anyway, appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share, and hit the bell into the next video. Thank you. Bye.